Hello, good morning. Finally, I am home at last after 6 hours of travel. And now we're going to read the Holy Bible in English Standard Version in the Old Testament in the book of Isaiah, chapter 15. An oracle concerning Moab. An oracle concerning Moab, because Ar of Moab is laid waste in a night. Moab is undone, because Kir of Moab is laid waste in the night. Moab is undone. He has gone up to the temple and to Dibon, to the high places, to weep. Over Nepo and over Medeba, Moab wails. On every head is baldness, every herd is shorn. Every head is baldness, every beard is shorn. In the streets they wear sackcloth, on the housetops and in the squares. Everyone wails and melts in tears. Heshbon and Eliale cry out. Their voice is heard as far as Jahaz. Therefore the armed men of Moab cry aloud. His soul trembles. My heart cries out for Moab. Her, her, her fugitives flee to Zor, to Eglath Shilishah, for at the ascent of Lohith, for at the ascent of Luhith, they go up weeping on the road of Horonaim. They raise a cry of destruction. The waters of Nimrim are a desolation. The grass is withered, the vegetation fails, the greenery is no more. Therefore, the abundance they have gained, and what they have laid up, they carry away over the brook of the willows. For a cry has gone around the land of Moab. Her wailing reaches to Eglaim, her wailing reaches to Beer Elim. For the waters of Dibon are full of blood. For I will bring upon Dibon even more, a lion for those of Moab who escape, for the remnant of the land. That is all. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow again.